Hey guys, Sean here, cruising around the forest in northern Wisconsin. This piece of bark caught my eye, reminded me of like the back of an alligator. Check that out. Look at the texture in that. This is off a dead poplar aspen. But yeah, that caught my eye, kind of reminded me of a back of an alligator. Thought that was cool. Never know what you're going to see out here. Take care, guys. Have a great day out there. See you in the next video. See what other cool stuff we could find here. Look at that.